Out there,
it
right?
really was. Nice blue skies out there. A little warm for December, Craig. Not going to lie, but feeling nice.
Yeah, definitely a little warm out there. Another warm day in store before the next cold front comes through. It's a warm evening, and we've got a mix of sun and clouds. 78 Miami, 79 Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood, 77 in Key West. Sticking at scales of 4, making it feel, well, not summertime humidity, but definitely more humid than it usually is this time of year. Humidity at 68%. South wind at 8 miles an hour. Here's what we saw this morning. We saw fog with all that humidity and moisture in the air, and the long winter nights that we get here. Fog became pretty patchy across much of South Florida. We're expecting another night of that fog as well, as the conditions are pretty favorable for fog. In fact, computer models suggesting the fog will develop after midnight once again, gradually spread into the metropolitan areas, and by about 7 or 8 a.m. should be at its thickest, and then once again, like today, it will burn off as we go through the day. In terms of temperatures this morning, they were comfortably cool, although warmer than our normal low of 63. Mid-60s to the low 70s everywhere. Current temperatures right now, upper 70s to the low 80s, and the breeze is light southerly just about everywhere across South Florida. Satellite loop through the day today showing not much in the way of clouds. We saw that morning fog burn off early on. Bigger picture showing that this front that we were talking about, the first one, it is fading out. There's a little bit of moisture with it, but it fades out overnight tonight, so nothing really big coming from that. Lows in the 60s tonight. Tomorrow, highs once again in the low to mid 80s, but stronger cold front is coming our way. It is not here until Thursday night. So Wednesday and Thursday still warm in the 80s. That's Thursday afternoon, the front coming into the area, and then it passes Thursday evening, so temperatures are cooler. Big snowstorm winding up in the middle of the country here, spreading snow across Oklahoma, Texas, Kansas, up to Nebraska. It's heading into Missouri, and eventually will trek into the northeast part of the U.S. and be a big snowmaker there. That's December. That's what you get. Sometimes it's hard to remember that when it's in the 70s down here, that other parts of the country are in the 20s and 30s. Our forecast for tonight, some early showers developing. Other than that, fog late, a low temperature in the 60s. Tomorrow, look for a mix of sun and clouds after the morning fog burns off. Some storms possible late ahead of that next front. High temperature near 85 degrees. On the water, wind south to southeast to 10, seas 2 feet or less, a light chop on the bays. Taking us through the rest of the week, a couple more warm days. Best chance for storms is going to be late tomorrow night into early Thursday, and then the breezy cold front comes through later on Thursday. Looking pretty nice as we go into the weekend. Temperatures closer to normal. Back to you.